Hey guys, welcome back. This is a new vlog. Hope everybody enjoyed the last vlog that I made. If you haven't watched it, go watch it, please. But anyways, I'm gonna go work out right now, and I'm gonna stop to see Vanessa at her place to see if she wants to go work out, and also I need headphones. Hey guys, gym was good, back at home now. I'm gonna get ready to go to the pool. I just spent like, I think 45 minutes to an hour at the gym. Wasn't really much. Just wanted a quick workout. Now I'm going to the gym. It's a beautiful day outside. So let me show you. It's nice outside right now. If you can focus. It's like nice, cloudy. So the pool would be nice. Okay, before we head to the pool, I am hungry. So let's just make like a snack. I'm gonna be making, honestly, just some French baguette. And then I'm just gonna put some Spanish in it. And then some mozzarella cheese. And then avocados, that's gonna be with some salt and pepper. And then that's it. I don't have any meat, and as well as I'm pescatarian, so therefore, like, there's chicken, but it's not for me. I don't eat chicken, I'm pescatarian, and as well as I ran out of seafood. So let's get it. All right, so far this is what I've done. Underneath right here, it's like butter, and then this is the mozzarella cheese, and then right now I'm gonna season it with a few things. So I need salt, pepper. I do need this, which is balsamic. And then I'm going to need, this is very good as well too. This one. And then I need a roasted garlic, sea salt. So all of that is gonna go in there. And then I'm gonna put it in the air fryers when we're done. So stay tuned. So if you guys can see, it's in the air fryer right now. I put it on 365 for just 10 minutes, and I'm gonna keep, checking back on it, and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. I'm gonna put the Spanish at the end. All the seasoning has gone on it, except for the balsamic. I'm gonna put on top of it once it's done, and then we're gonna eat. Okay. So while my snack is, baking right now or heating up, I just want to just have a little chat with you guys. For some of you guys that just have any questions, yes, I am single, but honestly I'm not looking for anything at the moment, only because my dating preference is I'm very strict when it comes to dating, and as well as who I let in my life and things like that. And honestly, just a short little story, I was dating someone in Miami, it didn't work out. And I guess that's the first time I kind of let myself go with someone, and just didn't work out, unfortunately. Which maybe I'll get into it down the line or wherever, but it's just didn't work out. So I got disappointed, and I stopped dating. Just been working on my vlog, my TikTok, my Instagram, and just been working on things that I do outside of that as well too. And just been focusing because I'm gonna study some more as well too. So I've been focusing on that as well too. But just a little story for you guys of what's been going on. It's ready. Damn, not burning. But this is what it looks like right now. Gold crusting, mozzarella, everything. And then now we're gonna put the balsamic on top of it. So I'm a very heavy-handed with balsamic because I do like the way it tastes. So this is what I'm gonna put in the balsamic, and that's it. Took a bite already, as you can tell. So I'm gonna show you guys how good it is. This is it. Good.
I think it's hard how we always wait another day.
Hey guys, welcome back. Update from the last clip. Last night I really wanted to take a trip to New York. I've been thinking about taking a trip to New York, so what I did is I started looking up tickets, which were fairly cheap, and hotels. I wanted to go by myself, but then again, I wouldn't mind if I went with someone else. So me and my friend Jalissa are going together. We booked our ticket last night, and then we're trying to find a decent hotel to stay at that is not too pricey, but also fairly cheap, but also great. But you can't win with all those areas. So we booked our ticket last night, and then I'm just waiting for the confirmation until we booked our hotel. But anyways. Okay, so sorry for the hot mess, guys, but I just wanted to say I ordered this, one of those sunglasses from this company. The other one is just like a regular shade if I'm going out to the sun, to the beach, and the other one is like a blue light glasses for technology. So like if I'm like on my computer, on my phone, TV, like it will protect my eyes. So this is where they come in with the packages. And then, let's see. Enjoy a free shipping on your next order with code. A warm thank you. I'm excited to see which one. This is the one that has, this is the sunglasses one. And let's see. Package. I like it. Okay. Let's make a difference, and it also comes with like the cloth as well too. Okay. I like their packages, very professional. The website was very legit too as well too, and they had a BOGO. It was like buy one get one. So let's see how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Just give me 1 second. So this is the first one. It kind of has like a rainbow look to it, like, because you can't see it from the outside when you look at the technology, because it has the blue light as well too. But this looks super good, and I got a gray, transparent gray. I like it. I am digging this one. I like this one a lot. So let's see the other one. So this is the other one, the normal one with the blue light as well too. But they're not sponsoring me, so I don't have a code. So this is what this one looks like. Check it out. So on the side, it will tell you what it has. It has blue light protection, cell phone, laptops, and TVs, and as well as it goes in depth. So let it focus. It goes in depth, protects from blurry vision, reduce headaches, and better sleep as well too. So this is primarily the reason why I ordered this one. So this is how this one looks. I also like it a lot too, and it has like no lens or anything like, you know, that could hurt your eyes as well. But I really do like this one, and I think it's the round shape. It suits me a lot. So I would recommend you guys get one as well, you know.